For me, there was never a moment without ballet. Since I grew up, I don't know the day when I decided to become a ballet dancer. It was always, for me, very clear I will become a ballet dancer. My older brother is a ballet dancer, and so for me it was clear from when I can remember that I wanted to become a ballet dancer. So it's really, this is not part of my life, this is my life. Well, I think ballet and fashions is very connected. We wear a lot of costumes in each production. We have different kind of costumes. We have from very classical to very modern. So since we're small, we have many fittings to look in the mirror what is the best way for us to look like. And in these clothes, like I did the shoot today, I feel very comfortable. I can do all the movements, and that is the most important for a ballet dancer, to feel comfortable in the costumes you wear. And today I can imagine I could wear this 24 hours a day. Well, for me as an artist, it's important not to be in a box. That means that I don't want to be in the classical box, and I don't want to be in the contemporary box. I want to be, as an artist, to be challenged to dance one night a Sleeping Beauty or a Swan Lake, and the next night a Romeo, and then the next night a very theatrical dance piece. And that's interesting, and I think it's the same for fashion. I don't want to really go into a specific style. I love good design, and there can be so many good designs. Okay. Well, I came here mostly to perform here, to dance. And I have to say, this is my favorite country to perform ballet, because the audience is very sophisticated and knows really a lot about ballet, and all the companies around the world really come to Japan many times to perform here. So the audience is very well read, or they really saw a lot, and this is very important for a dancer. And also the Japanese audience supports very much ballet and the artists, and this is the most important thing for a dancer, to be supported by the audience. And I feel very welcome all the time I come here and dance here, and I think your culture fits very well to the German culture as well, so I feel almost like my second home here. I hope after the many years in Japan it will not break up, because it's really a pleasure for me to be here, to enjoy your culture, to enjoy Tokyo, to enjoy all Japan, to see all the history you have, and all the new things, all the craziest things you have, from Harajuku to all the amazing stuff in Tokyo, all the crazy restaurants, all the amazing shopping you have, all the new inspirations here. It's really a big input for me, Japan, always. I come full of energy, full of new inspiration when I come from Japan back home.